We can also improve our listening competence by becoming better empathetic listeners. During active empathetic listening, the listener becomes actively and emotionally involved in an interaction in such a way that it is conscious on the part of the listener and perceived by the speaker. In other words, both people in the interaction are aware that empathetic listening is happening here. And there are several tools that we have at our disposal that we can use to become better empathetic listeners. The first of these tools is paraphrasing. This is a really important part of empathetic listening because it allows us to put the other person's words into our frame of experience without making it about us. So we get to put the experience into our words without putting our own experience or our person into the conversation. It keeps the focus on the other person. In addition, we can use questioning for much the same reason. We can ask questions in order to get the speaker to elaborate further or to continue the conversation. And both paraphrasing and questioning are useful techniques for empathetic listening because they allow us to respond to a speaker without taking the floor or taking attention away from the speaker for too long. In addition, we can use mirroring. This refers to a listener's replication of the nonverbal signs of the speaker. So, for example, if the speaker has a sort of lowered or inward posture and they have a sad facial expression, we might, as listeners, mirror those nonverbals to demonstrate to the speaker that we are feeling what they are feeling. We are empathizing with them. And finally, we can ask for elaboration. Doing this opens verbal doors and helps a person feel like they are being listened to. These are just some of the skills that we can use to improve our empathetic listening skills and help us to become a better empathetic listener.